Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luke.
Happy birthday, Luke. Wishing you good health. I hope naalala mo pa kami. Stay healthy and God bless.
Happy birthday, Luke. More birthdays to come.
Okay. Happy birthday, Luki. May your life always be filled with the fragrance of love, success, and happiness. I hope this special day, Luki, bring you joy and excitement. And may all your dreams begin to come true. Again, happy birthday, our friends, Luki. Love you, baby.
Hello, Kuya Luke. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi dyan sa inyo. Bumabati lang ako sa inyo ng happy birthday, Kuya Luke. Sana maging masaya ang yung birthday sa araw na Martes. I hope na mag-aral kang maayos at lagi kang mag-iingat at lagi kang magdadasal. Hangad ko sa inyo ang magandang kinabukasan dyan sa Canada. Look, miss na kita. Binata ka na, siguro, no? I hope na mag-aral kang maayos dyan sa Canada. Muli, maligayang bati sa iyo sa iyong karawan, Kuya Luke. God bless you all. Bye.
Happy birthday nga pala, Luke. Sana enjoy mo ang kaarawan mo. Ang galing mo talaga mag-basketball. Tumira ng tres, parang princess.
Hi Luke! Good morning ba or good evening? Happy birthday! I can't believe you're already 13 years old, teenager ka na. Parang kailan lang, Diyos ko. Parang kailan lang umiiyak ka pa kapag iniiwan ka dun sa room ni mami mo, sa principal's office. Nagtatantrums ka pa every time na magigising ka na wala si mami mo. 'Di ba? Talagang lalabas at lalabas ka dun sa room. Pero ngayon, teenager ka na. Para naman ako bigla akong nalungkot kasi nga tumatanda na ako talaga. Anyway, ngayon, so you'll be officially a teenager, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa na nakakalungkot at the same time, no? Kasi parang kailan lang. Parang how time flies talaga. Na ngayon 13 years old ka na, no? Diyos ko. Parang ba to, nag-pandemic lang, no? Parang biglang laki-laki na. Pero natutuwa naman ako at lumaki kang very respectful, very religious. Alam ko naman na dahil sa mami mo, kaya ka naging ganyan. At saka sa daddy mo, naging maganda yung pagpapalaki niya sa'yo. So, sana wag mong sayangin yon. Sana wag kang magbago kung ano yung tinuro sa'yo ni mami at ni daddy. Sana susundin mo pa rin palagi. Kasi, you know, alam ko how much your mom and your dad loves you. Maliit ka pa. Alam ko na yon. So, gusto ko lang sana na lumaki ka or magbinata ka na sumusunod ka pa rin kay mami at kay daddy kasi alam mo naman ang parents ayaw nilang mapasama ka kahit sinong parent. So ang wini-wish ko din sana lahat ng goal mo sa buhay, lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve, marating ay matupad. Kasi nga, alam ko naman na you're such a good boy and ipagdadasal natin yung kay St. Francis na lahat maging healthy ka, maging okay yung studies mo. And ano pa ba? Alam ko naman lahat yan makukuha mo with your mom and dad's guidance. So, sana magkita pa tayo. Sana buhay pa ako. Anyway, masyado nang mahaba to. 3 minutes na yata. Anyway, happy birthday, my dear. I love you. And cheers. And have a blast on your special day. Mwah.
Hey Lucky, happy birthday. Well, I believe you are such an amazing nephew and a son as well. I just wish you all the luck and love and happiness this world could give you. Please remember that we are just here for you and that we love you. Study hard and make your parents proud all the time. God bless you always.
Hello! Sapa! Sapa!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lucky! Mag-ingat kang palagi at mag-aral lang mabuti. Mag-thank you ka kay God sa lahat ng mga blessings na meron ka ngayon. Miss na miss ka na namin sa Malabon. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Luke! Success follow!
Good morning or good afternoon, good evening. Lahat na kasi hindi ko alam yung oras dyan. Again, happy birthday, Luke. Study hard, be a good boy lagi, and pray. Gawin mo lang lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Proud na proud kami sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Luke! Ingat kayo palagi and siyempre, alam naman namin, mabait kang bata hanggang sa paglaki mo. Diba? And ano pa ba?
Always follow the footsteps of God.
Yes. Huwag kang alagaan mo rin yung daddy at mami mo dyan. Ingat kayo palagi. Enjoy.
Enjoy lang sa buhay.
Enjoy ang pinaka-birthday mo, the best.
Basta lahat ng pangarap mo, sundin mo lang.
Oo.
Sports, study, singing.
Hintayin namin ang pag-uwi nyo. Saka dapat may Basta, happy birthday. We love you. We wish
Ilan
you.
taong ka na ba? At ano ba yung height mo? Ang tangkad mo na masyado eh. Basta, ganun lang. Enjoy your day lang. Be a good boy. Huwag kang titigil.
Pasaway.
Huwag kang titigil
mabait bata yan.
Huwag kang titigil sa pagpipray.
Oo.
Okay. We love you, Luke. Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you.
Sa mami at daddy mo.
Oo.
Happy.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Luke. Ilang taong ka na? Andito na si Kuya Mark. Batiin mo, Mark. Happy birthday, Luke. Happy birthday.
Again.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Hello, Luke. It's me, MD Bong. Alam kong isa tong bata na to sa pinakamagaling kong soloist noon sa Santa Ana. Napakabuti mong bata, sobrang talented mo. Keep it up lang, basta laging mong tatandaan na huwag makakalimot magpasalamat kay God. Siyempre, yan naman yung lagi natin sinasabi, di ba? At siyempre, kay mami at daddy mo, mas galingan mo pa, ipakita mo sa kanila yung mga talentong pinagkaloob sa iyo ni God. Lahat yung pagyamanin mo para matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Have a nice day.
Hello Luke, happy birthday sa'yo. Grabe, sobrang laki mo ng bata. Mas malaki ka na sa mami and daddy mo, no? Sobrang pakad mo na. And ayun, I wish you the best for your birthday for this year. And I really miss you a lot. Especially yung kakulitan mo sa loob ng classroom. Kapag sinusuway kita sa loob ng simbahan. Pero sobrang nakakamiss din yung pagiging curious mo every time we're going to have discussion inside the classroom. Sobrang nakakamiss yung pagiging enthusiastic mo every time we're going to have especially literary discussions. Yun lang. I wish you all the best and sana magkita tayo soon pag nakabisita ka ulit dito sa Pilipinas or ako na lang bibisita dyan. Charis. Yun lamang, Luke. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Bye-bye.
3, go. Happy birthday, Luki! God bless and we love you! See you soon! Bye-bye!
Hello there. Luke, turning the big 13. You're now a teenager. And you're already acting like you're 16. So that's good. Now you're getting your swoopy haircut and you're going to look really good. I was really glad that you met Ray yesterday. And I got a special present for you. I'll give it to you tomorrow. But for the year ahead, it's going to go just as fast as the year before. And so your mom and dad are going to have bigger expectations from you. And hopefully we can get you working more at the famous 100-year-old white spot.
Luki, happy 13th birthday. Isa ka ng teenager. And grabe. Sobrang nakaka-proud lahat ng ginagawa mo. Recently, lalo na sa music, sa sports, sa school, sa church. Grabe, sobrang busy mong bata. Ako, ang prayer and ang wish ko sa'yo for this, sa mga susunod na taon, lalo na ngayong binata ka na, is patuloy kang maging ilaw, continue to spread the love, through others, through God's love sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. I pray that may you continuously shine for who you are, and continue to give your best in everything that you do. I know you're giving your best naman, and nakikita ko yung lahat ng improvements mo sa basketball, sa volleyball, sa pagpiplay man ng instruments. Nakakatuwa kung paano ka ginagamit ng Lord, hindi lang sa church but even outside the church. Ako, panalangin ko na patuloy kanyang protektahan, mas lalo kanyang i-bless sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo. I pray na mas lalo ka pa niyang pagyamanin sa talent, sa skills, and continue to become a good man. Alam mo yun, kasi walang say-say lahat ng ito kung hindi tayo mabuting tao. So, patuloy nating isabuhay lahat ng nag-aaral natin sa Bible. Patuloy nating maging ilaw sa mga taong nasa paligid natin. And you are already, you're one of a kind, you're a blessing to many, to your family, to your parents, to your friends. Grabe, napaka grateful namin na meron kaming isang Luking katulad mo. Huwag kang magbabago, no? Kahit anong mangyari, kahit magka-girlfriend ka na. Yun lang, mahal ka namin. Continue to be humble, continue to ask for God's wisdom. Napaka-importante nun. Start to save money. Alam mo yun, lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, finances, emotions, alam mo yun, if you're struggling, if you're battling yung mga pressures sa school, sa friends, always pray and ask for God's help, for God's guidance, no? Kung meron ka mga nararamdaman emotionally, mentally, di ba, physically, alam mo, aside sa parents mo na lagi nandyan, nandito rin kami para sa'yo, pero most importantly, continue to ask God for wisdom, for direction, for protection, for covering, and yeah, yun lang. I pray for more years of blessing and of opportunity sa life mo. Love you, Luki, and I'm very proud of you, and happy birthday.
Happy 13th birthday, Nak. We love you, Luke Wentworth. Okay, first, si Dad, may sasabihin sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Nanak. I love you. We love you. You are now a teenager. Stay humble. Always pray to God. And I love you. Yun talaga. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday.
Nak, you are indeed a precious and sweetest blessing that we receive from up above. We are very grateful for all the things that you have achieved. We have been very, very proud of your achievements, of all the things that you have accomplished. And I know that you would still go further because you are gifted, you're talented, you're very rich in ideas, very spontaneous, and indeed very who talks with wisdom. Thank you, Nak, for sa kakulitan mo. No? Your funny things made me smile kahit na minsan inahagis mo ko. Yet, akala mo lang nainis ako. But then, I always feel so proud and feel so good when you're around. And I pray that you continue, that you have good health, wisdom, and of course, joy and peace, and indeed an awesome future ahead of you. I pray that God will continuously bless and guide all your endeavors and make you successful in the things that you do. We love you, anak, and we pray that you continuously be a good person inside out. Okay? Happy 13th birthday, and may God bless you now and for always. We love you.
We love you, Nana.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Luke.